Hello friends, here I am with another fitness video. Today's video is about knee. If you like my video, press the like button. Do subscribe my channel for regular updates. And if you have any suggestions, you can put it in the comment box. Gentle stretching and strengthening exercise can strengthen the muscle that support your knee joint. Having strong muscles can reduce the impact and stress on your knee and help your knee joint move more easily. So friends, let's start with the knee exercises. Number 1, hamstring stretch. This stretch targets your hamstring, the muscles in the back of your thigh. For this stretch, you can use a mat to add cushioning under your back. Lie down on the floor or mat and straighten both legs. Lift one leg off the floor. Place your hand behind your thigh but below the knee and gently pull your knee towards your chest until you feel a slight stretch. This should not be painful. Hold for 30 seconds. Now lower and change the leg. Hold for 30 seconds. You have to do this 10 times on each leg. Relax. Exercise number 2. Straight leg raise. The straight leg raise strengthens your quadriceps as well as your hip flexor muscle. For this exercise, lie down on your back with one leg bent and one leg straight out in front of you. Now contract the quadricep of your straight leg and slowly raise it up off the floor until it's the same height as the bent knee. Pause at the top for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Then lower to the straight position. As the exercise gets easier to do, you can add some weights that are ankle weights and gradually work up to a heavier ankle weight as you build in your legs. Strength. Here you can see we are wearing some ankle weights. It is not necessary to add it immediately. Once you get comfortable with the exercise and you think you can bear a little bit weight, then you can add it. One leg is bent and rise. You have to rise it till the knee level and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now the third exercise is side leg raise. This exercise works your hip abductor muscle as well as your glutes. Your hip abductor muscle located on the outside of your hip help you to stand, walk and rotate your leg with ease. Strengthening these muscles can help prevent and treat pain in the hip and knees. Here you can wear the weights if you are comfortable. Lie on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. Cradle your head in your hand and place your other hand on the floor in front of you. Raise your top leg as high as you comfortably can. You should feel the stretch on the side of your hip. Pause briefly at the top and then lower your leg. Raise. Pause. Count till 5. Then relax. As the exercise gets easier to do, then you can add ankle weights. Exercise number 4. Prone leg raise. This exercise works your hamstring as well as your glutes. Lie on your stomach with your legs straight out behind you. You can let your head rest on your arms. Engage your glute and hamstring muscle in your right leg and lift your leg as high as you comfortably can without causing pain. Be sure to keep your pelvic bone on the floor throughout the exercise. You have to hold your leg in the lifted position for 5 seconds. Then you have to lower it and rest for 2 seconds and then repeat again. Lift, count till 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Lift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Exercise number 5. Ankle pumps. It improves the blood flow in legs. Help prevent blood clots from forming. In this exercise, you can remove the weights as it is not necessary to use weights in it. Now lie down on your back. Point toes toward your head and then back down towards the floor. Do it 15 times. Towards the head, then towards the floor. Towards the head, then towards the floor. Exercise number 6. Gluteal sets. Works to strengthen muscle in buttocks. Lie down on your back. Squeeze your buttock to tighten the muscle. Hold tightly for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. You have to do this 15 times. Tighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Exercise number 7. Quad sets. Work on the muscle on top of your thigh. Lie down on your back. Tighten the muscle on the front of your thigh. Push the back of knee down against the mat and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. You have to do this 15 times. Push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Exercise number 8. Short arc quads. This exercise work on muscle that lies on top of your thigh. Lie down on your back with a pillow or a well-rolled towel under your knee. Tighten the muscle on top of your thigh while straightening your knee. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax. You have to do this exercise 15 times on both sides. Straighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Straighten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Exercise number 9. Heel slides. Now you can remove the pillow or the rolled towel. In heel slides, it helps to increase flexibility of hip and knee. Slide the heel up slowly and then back down. Up, down. You have to do this 15 times on each side. Up, down. Exercise number 10. Hip abduction. It increases the flexibility of your hip. Now lie down on your back with your leg flat, knees straight and your toe pointed straight up. Slide your leg out to the side and stretch it as far as you possibly can. Do not exert or stretch out of your limit. Then bring it back. Stretch out again. Bring it back. You have to do this exercise 15 times on each side. Out. In. Out. In. So these were the exercises that you can do at home with your basic mat, towel and few weights, which can help to increase your knee strength and flexibility and help reduce its pain. If you like my video, do press the like button, subscribe my channel for regular updates, and if you have any suggestion, put it in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye.